Hi, this is Fred from Home for the Long Haul. Getting in and out of your car should not feel like a daily workout. If your knees ache just thinking about climbing into a massive truck or sinking down into a low sports car, it might be time to rethink what you drive. Welcome back to the channel where we talk about aging in place and retiring on your terms. Today, we are counting down the top 5 best vehicles for seniors in 2026. Make sure you keep watching to the very end to see our number 1 pick, because it offers a safety and visibility feature that most buyers completely overlook. You will definitely want to see which vehicle took that top spot. We are not looking at horsepower or top speed today. We care about hip point height, meaning you can slide straight across into the seat without bending or climbing. We care about massive windows for easy visibility and less blind spot panic. And we care about simple dashboard controls, because nobody wants to dig through a touch screen just to turn on the air conditioning or the radio. Coming in at number 5 on our list is the Buick Encore GX. This compact SUV is a hidden gem if you want something smaller but still very refined. It offers a very comfortable hip point height, allowing you to slide right in with zero effort. Buick is famous for their quiet tuning technology, which uses special acoustic glass to keep the cabin peaceful. This makes a huge difference if you have trouble hearing conversations over road noise. The Encore GX features a clean dashboard layout with a large screen that is easy to read for older eyes. Thankfully, it retains physical volume knobs and climate controls, so you do not have to rely entirely on touchscreens. It is easy to maneuver and park in tight spaces, yet it still feels solid and secure on the highway. You can even get a surround view camera system, which makes parking virtually foolproof. The available heated seats and heated steering wheel provide wonderful relief for arthritis on cold mornings. The cargo space is easy to access with an available hands-free power liftgate, meaning you just kick your foot under the bumper to open the trunk. For seniors who want a touch of luxury without buying a massive vehicle, the Encore GX is a spectacular choice. It is a great start, but wait until you see the accessibility on the vehicles higher up this list. At number 4, we have the Kia Soul. Do not let the funky box shape fool you, because that design creates a high roof and upright, comfortable seating. The seats sit at the exact right height for most people to just slide straight in. It is incredibly easy to step into, easy to park, and very friendly on a retirement budget. The square shape means you have incredible headroom, making the cabin feel much larger than it actually is. Visibility out the front and sides is excellent, making it a breeze to navigate busy parking lots. The tight turning radius means you will not struggle with frustrating 3-point turns anymore. The Kia Soul has very straightforward physical controls for the climate and radio system. You will not have to take your eyes off the road just to adjust the temperature. It offers a surprisingly large cargo area when you fold the rear seats down. The cargo floor sits very low, so you do not have to lift heavy groceries or bags very high into the back. The door opens wide, creating a huge space to store even large items. For around town driving and running everyday errands, the Soul is extremely hard to beat. We are getting closer to our number 1 pick, which is the absolute king of safety, but first let us look at a fantastic sedan. Moving on to number 3 on our countdown, we have the Toyota Camry Hybrid. If you do not want an SUV, this sedan is the ultimate choice for smooth comfort and massive gas savings. Every 2026 Camry is a hybrid, delivering incredible fuel economy for long road trips to see family and friends. You can expect around 50 miles per gallon, which is fantastic for stretching a fixed retirement budget. It has a lower step-in height than the SUVs, but offers unmatched smooth and quiet comfort. Toyota designed the doors to open wide, and the roofline is high enough that you do not have to duck down too much to get in. Inside, the Camry is a masterclass in straightforward and user-friendly design. The gauges are crisp and easy to read, and the main controls are simple physical buttons. The hybrid system works seamlessly, quietly switching between electric and gas power without you even noticing. It is the ultimate long-distance cruiser, offering legendary Toyota reliability and low maintenance costs over time. The trunk is massive, easily holding a folded wheelchair, a walker, or several sets of luggage. The suspension glides right over potholes, protecting your back from harsh impacts on bumpy roads. Because it sits lower to the ground, it feels remarkably stable and secure around sharp corners. We are just one spot away from our top pick, but taking the number 2 spot is the Honda CR-V. The CR-V has been a top seller for decades for very good reasons. It sits high enough to give you a great commanding view of the road, but not so high that you need a step stool to get in. The seats are incredibly supportive, which really reduces back strain on long drives. Plus, the rear doors open almost a full 90 degrees, making loading groceries or a walker an absolute breeze. The dashboard layout is elegant and very easy to understand at a glance. Honda kept physical knobs for the volume and temperature controls, which makes adjustments simple while driving. The ride quality is smooth and quiet, isolating you from rough roads and road noise. The steering requires very little physical effort, saving your shoulders and wrists during parking maneuvers. It comes with advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. You can also get the hybrid version for fantastic fuel economy without sacrificing any interior space. The low dashboard gives you a wide panoramic view of everything ahead of you. The CR-V is a vehicle you can buy and confidently drive for the next 15 years with complete peace of mind. And finally, the moment you have been waiting for. Coming in at number 1 as the absolute best vehicle for seniors in 2026, the Subaru Forester. The Forester takes the top spot because it excels in every single category that matters to older drivers. It has huge, tall windows and incredibly thin roof pillars, giving you unmatched 360-degree visibility. When you are merging onto a busy highway or backing out of a tight driveway, that extra visibility is priceless. The door openings are massive, making it the easiest vehicle on the market to step into and out of without strain. Standard symmetrical all-wheel drive gives you ultimate confidence in heavy rain, mud, or winter snow. The system works automatically in the background without requiring you to press any confusing buttons. The Forester has high ground clearance for rough roads, but the floor remains low enough for easy access. Subaru includes their EyeSight driver assist technology as standard equipment on every single trim level. This system acts like a second set of eyes, watching traffic ahead and applying the brakes in an emergency. The adaptive cruise control feature is fantastic for long highway drives, automatically keeping a safe distance from the car ahead. The low cargo floor means you never have to strain your back when loading groceries, luggage, or mobility equipment. The redesigned seats provide outstanding lumbar support to prevent fatigue on longer trips. The Subaru Forester simply offers the ultimate combination of safety, accessibility, and effortless driving. The key to maintaining your independence on the road is choosing a vehicle that works with your body, not against it. You should not have to fight your car just to go to the store or visit your doctor. Take the time to test drive a few of these options to see how easy they are to get in and out of. Let me know in the comments below which of these 5 vehicles you would choose. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so we can keep making this content for you. Be sure to check the description below for links to the resources we talked about today. You will also find a link to my Buy Me a Coffee page if you want to support the channel directly. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.